Hi there, this is our Enterprise 1550. It's Indian made. I've never seen a tidier 25-year-old lathe. It's just really tidy. It's had very little use over the years, and there's just no signs of wear. The only thing that I noticed with it is a little bit of the indicators, the figures have faded a little bit. It might have been in the sunlight. And also one of your wee square drive female things here for doing up the cam lock is damaged. But apart from that, it's just absolutely immaculate, and it's as quiet as a mouse. It just, everything is just in as new condition, and it's amazing for its age. It's got a light up there. Someone's fitted a chuck guard. This didn't come out with a coolant system, this lathe. It's got the electronic high and low here, your gear changes, etc., metric and imperial and engagement here. It's really tidy in under here. Standard tool post, the bed and everything's just immaculate. There's no wear whatsoever. And it's got the steadies, and it doesn't look as though they've ever been used. And full length splash guard at the back. There's the tail stock there. And that's working nicely. All the handles are in really good condition. It's got the direct online start, so for instance that's reverse, and you'll stop it like that on the emergency brake, and other direction, so that's how you stop and start it. It's got the imperial and metric hand wheel indicators there. We'll run you through the feeds. So that's in a low range there. You engage and disengage the lead screw drive through a wee drive here that you pull in and out. So I've got both of them running there, and I can engage that and change those speeds. So that's the lead screw engaged. There's another speed. Coming towards me. So that's engaging and disengaging nicely, and then I've just running through the different speeds here. Metric and imperial. You've got the engage and disengage, and then you've got this here for your different speeds as well. And all that's just working really nicely, and is nice to engage in and out. So I'll get that going on a fast one again and show you the feed. So that's the lead screw and all of those drives there. And these are the power feeds, so the cross slide's going away from you. And now the carriage, which is coming towards me. That's going in and out nicely. We'll change the direction of all that. That's the carriage going away from me now. And the cross slide coming out towards you. So all those feeds are going in and out nicely, and everything's just beautiful to operate. So disengaged all that. So we are in 90 RPM there. And I'll stop that, go to the electronic high, taking you to your next one, which is 45, and that will be 270. Oh no, that'll be 540, sorry. Yeah, 540, and now that's 270. Take you around one. Okay, so that will be 61, is it? No, faster than that. And that's 1280. and that will be 224. And 112. So 160 and 355. 1000 and top speed of 2000. Take you around another one. So 420 and 840. So that's most of the gears there. We were on the slower ones. So it's really quiet in those ranges. Carriage is really nice to move. So is the cross slide. No play there. And that compound slide just moves like a dream as well, and it's no play there either. So there's not much more to go over apart from all that. So yeah, it's amazing to see, you know, a 25-year-old lathe that has been looked after so well and is in such good condition, and everything's working nicely. That ticks over great.